space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride.
Oh my God.
I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
SB2, we're on our final approach. Roger that.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open air lock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SB2 cleared for arrival.
Gravity generator active.
Airlock activated. Docking.
That's why I don't have to take extra there. Somebody always makes me.
Oh, it's nice.
In 3, 2,
I'll wait till we're done.
Your journey back to Epcot will be a smooth and quick one today. So enjoy the ride.
The speed is 13 miles per hour.